As the second wave of coronavirus continues to wash over Europe, restrictions across the continent are tightening. Belgium is preparing for a difficult month ahead as the country braces for what the health minister called a tsunami of cases.
The figures that we see today are significantly higher than the ones that we saw back in March and April, when we took very restrictive measures.
The number of people admitted to Belgian hospitals is currently doubling every week, prompting the government's action. People can only meet with one person outside of their household, and a month-long curfew between midnight and 5 a.m. has been introduced, which sees bars and restaurants totally shut down. Slovenia has also announced an overnight curfew, declaring a 30-day state of emergency. As part of the new restrictions, gathering limits will be brought down from 10 to 6. That measure has also been introduced in Austria. People are limited to groups of 6 indoors and 12 outdoors, and the restrictions apply to pretty much every environment aside from people's homes, though the Chancellor urged the public to exercise caution when hosting private gatherings. Some of the strictest restrictions, meanwhile, have been in Wales, which announced a 2-week firebreak lockdown after it recorded over 4,000 new cases last week.
Everyone in Wales will be required to stay at home. All non-essential retail, leisure, hospitality and tourism businesses will close, just as they had to during the March lockdown.
Meanwhile, Ireland will become the first EU member to re-enter a nationwide lockdown from midnight Wednesday. It's set to be a miserable build-up to the festive season there, as all non-essential shops will be closed for 6 weeks until December the 1st, and people will be asked to remain within 5 kilometres of their homes.